Folks, we're at Ravenel Ford today looking at a 2006 Ford Escape, black in color. Get a good look. It comes with an XLT package. Very clean, very shiny, nice set of 5-star alloy wheels. General tires, okay, good looking set of tires on there. Let's look at the price. Market retail price is $14,849. Sale price is $12,600. Only at Ravenel Ford. This one has 63,690 miles on it. Comes with a V6 engine, side steps, okay, rear tinted windows. Wow. It's a hatchback car. You got plenty of room in the back to throw your stuff in. 40/60 split on those back seats. Fold the back seats right on down. Okay. Don't forget, RavenelFord.com. If you need a Carfax report, come on out and get one from us or call us. We'll fax it to you or email it to you. No problem at all. Interior features like power windows, power locks, okay? Tan leather on the inside. Got a nice luxury seating on the inside of the vehicle. Cruise control on your steering wheel. Automatic. 6-disc CD player, okay? Very clean vehicle. If you've been looking for a Ford Escape, come out and test drive this one with us at Ravenel Ford. Again, we're only 15 minutes south down Savannah Highway past the Citadel Mall. No nonsense car buying is exactly what we